It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We got the return of my wife Mel to the channel today because we've been sent something really cool. I'm dying to get it open. So I got the knife. What have we got, Mel?
This is the Pinter 3. So this will be. Did we have number 1? I know we definitely had number 2.
We've had every system.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I had a red one and a blue one. Yeah.
And today we've got a.
Oh, right, okay, so if you want to explain that, now, currently, on their website, I'll leave that with you.
That's a referral thing, Simon. But currently you can pick these up on the website for £99. But if you go over at the moment, I just checked it actually, they've got a summer sale with up to £30 off, so check that out ASAP. I don't know when that's going to end, but it would be worth, if you want one,
Oh, this looks nice.
On offer.
Now then, what do I...
Don't break it.
No, I won't.
Oh, that looks like it's going to come out on that side.
Yes. There we go.
Yes.
Right. So here it is.
Opens up.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, eh? Look at that. So if I grab it from underneath...
It's like stuck in here there.
Or can you grab the tap?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it?
Oh, that's different. So straight away, ooh,
Hey, look at this.
straight away I can see a difference on one thing. That's metal.
Oh, that's lovely.
Nice.
So that's like a chrome, a lovely kind of chrome handle.
To do on here.
Look at that.
Oh, you made it dirty already.
Oh, you know me with my hands. Oh, should we do the big reveal?
Yeah.
You grab that side. Oh, wow.
That's nice.
Look
that's
at that.
quite cool. I quite like that colour actually. It looks a little bit more sophisticated.
Now, okay, so what I'm going to say straight away
Right
is
there as well.
Pinter 1 was plastic, the Pinter 2 was metal.
Was it? No, it was.
It was a metal system, the Pinter 2. And I'm going to say, I prefer this. They've gone back to a plastic model, but that just means it's cheaper. You're not paying for like a premium metal.
I think the last Pinter 2 cost me 75, so this has gone up in price.
I'm sure it was a premium.
Current inflation and all that, I'm not surprised. Because that was what, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Right, so here's the system. And so if you're new to Pinter, they come with...
It is basically...
Now I'm hoping we get some of the... I think they're in here.
I quite like that.
Oh no! Right, okay.
So we haven't got anything to make anything with. So what you do to make stuff, you've got no instructions, it comes with the Pinter itself. It's all in this barcode.
Right, okay, so...
Yeah, that's the dock.
Now, what I'm going to say, this might be something to do with the delivery. Maybe they had a second box for us, or would it have said...
Yeah, it came the other day. Came on Friday. So.
Came on Friday while I was in the London Craft Beer Festival, so I wasn't even here to take this.
I would have thought they'd put it out together though.
But, I mean, we'll publish this.
Look at the system itself.
We'll look at the system itself. We'll show you how this works, and then I'm pretty sure we'll send it off to Pinter and we'll get some of the brewing syrups. They're like concentrated worts, if you like, and you pour warm water.
No, don't. Why are you doing that?
Well, I'm just showing people how to kind of like...
We haven't got to that. Just show the device and we'll do that in the second part of the video.
Yeah, we'll make another video. So what happens is this locks on to the...
It's just guessing.
No, don't. I'm not guessing.
Well, once you've...
So this comes off the front, definitely. There we go. That piece comes off the front.
Doesn't it?
You unlock this part. No, I'm not sure if it's high enough. You unlock this part of the system. You fill it with water to a line, and there's a line on the inside, I believe. Oh, echoey. Yeah, you fill it up to the line. I think it's that cream line on the inside, probably, without reading instructions. And then
That feels really nice.
yeah,
It's got a really nice quality. That
it's
nice and sturdy.
It's very sturdy, but again, I think they've made a really good decision here into going back to plastic rather than your
The metal.
the metals. So then this then locks on the back. Right, you take. No, it's this definitely the same. So you undo this. Of course, it's the brewing dock, isn't it? That comes off. I haven't used one of these for a couple of years, so you'll have to bear with me. And then this. And it clicks on here. Somehow. It's not on the back, is it? No, it's definitely. There's no way that can fit on the back. It's definitely.
No, it's not.
And then
looking at the, you've got like special bits at the back there.
You got dials on here. These are the brewing dials. Look, we've not had a chance to have a look at the instructions. This is just an unboxing video, really. But what I found over the last 2 videos that I've made from Pinter 1 and Pinter 2 is that people take these things camping.
Yeah.
So what they do, they brew the beer before they go camping, and then they just, because of course then the beer, where's the tap to? The tap attaches to the front of the system, and then you've got fresh beer. So a lot of people use these for camping. It's a relatively cheap way to drink some beer. It's a rather good system. But we were going to
start one off.
We were going to do a brewing video today with the Pinter, but yeah, we don't have any of the liquids. So what we'll do, we'll wait for the liquids, and then we'll do a separate brewing video of the liquids. But that's a quick look at the Pinter. That's lovely. That tap handle is absolutely fantastic. Really, really cool. So that's the Pinter 3, everybody. Currently, if you go on their website, they got a summer sale, £30 off. But we've actually got a, I mean, if you want to be, you could cheekily kind of barcode scan that, couldn't you? If you want to barcode scan that now, right away, they're going to get 20.
Doesn't work like that when you recommend a friend.
You're going to get £20 off.
No.
Don't work like that, does it?
Unfortunately not.
Okay. So thank you for Mel. I got Mel involved because she was going to do the brewing today. But
yeah.
Bit of a shame we haven't got the brewing kit. But yeah, hey ho. That's the Pinter 3. We'll come back with a separate brewing video. Thanks very much for watching. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.